Let's get it right. These are interlocking, stabilized, compressed earth bricks. Stabilized, compressed, like Lego bricks. Yes. So what we are doing here is an alternative construction system that helps us to save cost by reducing the need for mortar by up to 70%, because we can basically stack the bricks this way, and we do it this way, and the hollows we can fill it with concrete and
iron
rebars inside. Yes, you can work with this. Yes, so it serves as the formwork. The pillar goes right in the middle, and we have that all the way to whatever height we are going.
So here's a building that was built using it. Those are walls done using the same concept, same technology. And this is in Umwai, and we're doing it too. Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Umweka in Abia State. So I'm showing you the materials we use in making our bricks. So this is sharp sand. This is the third load, Abi? Third load. And that's laterite. How many loads of laterite have we got? 6 loads. Okay. So we use a mix of 15% sharp sand, 75% laterite, and then 10% cement. And he has a preference for the cement he likes using. So let me go show it to you, and then we'll come back. So he has about 4,000. How many do you see you have here? 4,000?
Yes.
About 4,000.
About 4,000.
Okay, there's a little over 4,000. 4,200 and change. This is little wall he made. This wall has been sitting here for weeks now. And you can see it gets wet all the time, right? And it's still intact. So this is, you've seen this before, so I don't need to show it to you again. You've seen this too, I don't need to show it to you again. So let's go inside. So he prefers this cement to the Dangote one. He says it works better for what he wants to get done. So he likes this better. So we have lots of bricks stacked. Right? Let me see if I could give you. So yes, you see we have lots of bricks stacked. A lot of bricks. So that's one. And then there's another set here. So let me go and show you from the side so you see how deep it is. You get the idea, right? So there are 3 bricks, and I'm going to pick them up to see how much they weigh. And then you can see on this side, you saw the side, so you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bricks. So this journey has been quite interesting. I've spoken to a few people since I posted my video, and what I find very exciting is that this industry is not new. The industry is decades old, but for whatever reason, I don't know why it's not caught on. I don't know why people have not felt that this should be the way they build their homes. It's definitely cheaper than cinder block bricks, cement bricks, and it's easier to build a home. So you see those round things, they interlock and you don't need mortar. So those are advantages that I see that for whatever reason Nigerians aren't taking advantage of. But having said that, Stephen Makama had written some articles on LinkedIn, and I think I'll post a link to it, talking about why it is Nigerians aren't using CSEBs. And one of the things he talked about was one, lack of capacity and patience, and people not looking to do something different from what they're used to doing. And I thought that was quite interesting. And yes, you could see this requires quite a bit of effort. But having said that, he sent me pictures of a home he had built in 2008 using 100% laterite or mud. So this here is laterite or mud. and he didn't put any stabilizers, and he was doing renovation, and the house looked beautiful. The bricks were perfectly red. I'll add a picture or a couple of pictures of the homes for you to take a look at. And I started asking myself, why aren't we doing this more? Is it that syndrome where we have, if it's made here, it's not good, it has to be made outside for it to be worth my while? And that's a question I kept asking myself. I don't know what the answer is. So I have the plans done. I'm going to show you a picture of what the survey, and then sometime next month we'll start clearing. I purchased, remember the machine I showed you in the video before this one? It still hasn't arrived yet. The vehicle bringing it was involved in an accident. The driver got seriously injured. So we paid a company to transport it. So as soon as it gets here, I'm going to go to Abat today to see if it's here. If it's here, we'll bring it, and hopefully they'll start working with it. The main house itself will be done using 9-inch bricks. The 6-inch bricks will be used for the fence. So we have enough to get the fence started. I think I need about 14,000 to fence the property, and we already have 7,000 in here, and there's under 4,000 outside. So we have 11,000. So we're pretty close to the number we need to start doing the fence work. So let me pick one up and then find out what it weighs, if it's heavy or not. Someone had told me that the ones they sent him, so those are solid bricks, weighed about 8 kilograms. These are very lightweight. They're not as heavy. So the 9-inch will definitely weigh more. Remy, about how much do these things weigh? This is not 6 kilograms. I'm not as strong. You think this is 6 kilograms? I'll bring a scale and I'll weigh it. I don't think it weighs that much. Maybe I'll take one to the airport and have them weigh it for me. Say it again. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take it to the airport, and I'll take one to the airport and ask them to wait for me at the airport. Alright. When I'm leaving, I'll put one in the vehicle. So, hey, it's me again. It's been a while, right? Mr. Azode is manning the camera. I hope he's doing a fantastic job. So, as you could see, let me give you scale. I'm 6'1". You have an idea how many bricks we have, right?
About 7,066.
7,000 bricks. So I'm pretty psyched. I look forward to this getting completed. So next time I come back, we'll be doing foundation work. I have some bright ideas. You're supposed to be looking at me, not that. Look at me. I'll be doing some foundation work, and hopefully we'll take you through the foundation process. I don't want to do standard foundation work that people do. So there's a stone mason I'm going to bring in from Jos to help me with foundation work. I'm going to go to a quarry, get some of those big granite stones, and that's what I intend to use for the foundation. So it has to be very good because moisture is a big issue. You don't want moisture seeping in. So next time I come back, it will be more exciting with something different. But it's been an interesting. Oh, by the way, the people who went to South Africa to train them, right? Took 2 machines. One of them is still alive. I'm hoping to meet him, so I'm excited about that. And then the industry experts, Dimas Nwoko is a big industry expert. He's one of my customers. I sent him an email. He's read it. He's not responded yet. So I'm very, very excited about this project. I can't wait to see the final. I can't wait to start the foundation, and I can't wait for you to see when I get that started. So once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Omeka, United States. So here's the brick. It weighs, sorry, it's in a bag. It's intentional in a bag. So it weighs 5.55 kilograms. So the 9-inch one should weigh about 8 kilograms. So here's the brick. Here's the weight of the brick. I'll bring it out and show you. I brought this back to Lagos with me. So it weighs about 5.55 kilograms. So let me bring it out and show you. So this is what the brick looks like out of its element. So let me see if I can get something to give you a scale so you see what dimensions are. So this is the brick, what it looks like out of its element. Let me see if I can't really give you scale. It's not that large. So this is it. You could see where you could how it interlocks, how it slots.